In the next 3 minutes, we're going to build a professional attendance management system from scratch. Let's get started. First, let's create the template. At the top, type the title, Attendance Management System. Now create the headings. Type name, then the weekday names, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And finally add 2 result columns, to attend and attended %. Perfect. Now adjust the column widths so everything looks clean and easy to read. Next, let's format the weekday headings. Select the weekday columns. Change the text direction to vertical. Center align the text. Make it bold. And apply a background color. Already looking much better. Format remaining headings. Now format the title. Merge the title cells. Make the text bold. Increase the font size. And choose a professional font color so it stands out. Next, insert your employee or student names. I already have my list ready, so I'll simply copy and paste it. Now apply suitable border to the whole table. Choose color as required. Apply and press OK. Now comes my favorite part. Let's make this tracker interactive. Select the weekday columns. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Icon Sets, then click More Rules. Choose the icon style you like. Now change the type from % to number. This step is important. Set the first value to 1. Now check Show Icons Only. This hides the numbers and displays only the attendance icons, giving your tracker a clean, professional look. Click OK. Let's test it. Type 1 in any weekday cell. Instantly, the attendance icon appears. Now let's calculate the attended %. Then type COUNTIF and open the parenthesis. Select the 5 weekday cells. Now type 1. Close the parenthesis. Now divide the result by 5. Now let's calculate the to attend %. 1 minus, then click the attended % cell. Now format both columns as percentages. Then drag the formulas all the way down. Every student's attendance updates automatically. Now let's make those percentages easier to understand with visual progress bars. Select the to attend column. Go to Conditional Formatting. Choose Data Bars. Then click More Rules. Change the type to Formula. Set the minimum value to 0. Set the maximum value to 1. Choose a red gradient color. Now change the direction from right to left. Click OK. Now the remaining attendance is instantly visible. Next, repeat the same steps for the attended % column. Select the column. Go to Data Bars. Choose More Rules. Change the type to Formula. Keep the minimum at 0, the maximum at 1, and choose a green or blue color to represent completed attendance. Click OK, and format the values as percentages. And there it is. You've just built a professional attendance management system that's interactive, visually appealing, and incredibly easy to use. Now, all you have to do is enter 1 for present and 0 for absent, and Excel handles the rest automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, share and follow for more practical Excel tutorials, automation tips, dashboards, and productivity hacks that help you work smarter every day.